We are taking a stateroom tour of 8268 on the Carnival Spirit. This is a Vista suite and one of 10 rooms on any of the Spirit class ships. Got a nice mirror with some nice glassware walking to the foyer here. Got a couch, a chair, and a little desk area with the TV on the top. Got a table there as well. And not exactly sure what was happening with the TVs in this room. But hey, you're not going on a cruise to watch TV, right? Okay, walking to the bedroom. And we have this up as a queen size bed. We got 2 nightstands with 2 lamps. Then we have another TV in here with the same problem, but shelving and drawers. Then there's actually a walk-in closet. Got your live vest there, robes, and more shelving in here. Alright, twirl myself around here to the vanity. Hi! Yep, it'll be the spot where you get yourself all dolled up. And there's plenty of drawers there, and the hair dryers there as well. Then you got the bathroom. You got the double sink. More room in this bathroom because it is a suite. Of course, you got your toilet. And got a nice little better view of the tub. It's a whirlpool tub. And got the fancier Elemis shampoo and body wash. And no shower curtains. Pretty nice space in the bathroom. Of course, got your mirror and shelving in there as well. Alright, walk back out to where we started from. But we're going to go to the highlight of this room is the balcony. It is a wraparound balcony. And let's start from the corner where this lounger is. Just look at all this room. Definitely got plenty of seating, tables, just a nice place to chill out and relax. That is the overview of 8268 on the Carnival Spirit. If you are interested in booking the Spirit or have questions about the Spirit, I could gladly help. I am a travel agent. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next excursion.